Hello, ready to master the write an email task? We have 7 minutes to craft a professional message based on a specific scenario, so let's dive into the details and practice hitting every requirement perfectly. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to subscribe to myTOEFL for more expert writing strategies. Let's keep working toward your target score together. You will read some information and use the information to write an email. You will have 7 minutes to write the email. You recently signed up to volunteer at the city's annual Heritage Festival. The context begins with you having signed up to volunteer, which establishes your role in the upcoming event. This phrase indicates you are an active participant in the city's Heritage Festival. You received your assigned shifts, but the email did not specify where or when to pick up the official volunteer t-shirt. The problem arises because the communication did not specify the logistics for the gear. This lack of information regarding the volunteer t-shirt is the primary reason you are reaching out to the coordinator. Write an email to Ms. Rodriguez. In your email, do the following. You are addressing Ms. Rodriguez, so it is essential to maintain a professional and respectful tone throughout your correspondence. Thank Ms. Rodriguez for the volunteer shift assignment for the Heritage Festival. This first requirement asks you to thank Ms. Rodriguez for the specific details regarding your schedule. It is important to begin on a positive note by acknowledging the volunteer shift assignment. Explain that you need information about the volunteer t-shirt pickup location. In this section, you must explain the gap in your knowledge. Specifically, you need to state clearly that you require the pickup location for your gear. Ask about the specific dates and times for collecting the uniform. The final instruction is to ask about the logistics. You need to inquire about the dates and times to ensure you can pick up the uniform before the event starts. Write as much as you can and in complete sentences. Your response. Rodriguez City Heritage Org Air. This field shows the recipient is an official at the Heritage Festival organization. Volunteer uniform inquiry. A good subject line should be brief and clear so the recipient knows exactly what the email is about before opening it. Now let's look at a high-scoring example email. Pay attention to how the writer addresses all the bullet points and uses formal vocabulary. We start with Dear to show respect. Then we add the recipient's title and name, Ms. Rodriguez, and finish with a comma to properly open the formal email. We begin with I am writing to state our current action. Then we use to thank you for to explain our purpose. We follow with the object, the volunteer shift assignment, and conclude with for the Heritage Festival to provide specific context. We start with I am looking forward to express enthusiasm. Next, we add assisting at the information booth to specify our task. Finally, we include and meeting the other volunteers to show social interest. We use, however, to signal a transition to the problem. Then we state, I am contacting you to refocus the message. Next, we add because I noticed that to introduce the reason. We specify my confirmation email as the source, then explain it did not specify the missing info, and conclude with the pickup location for the official volunteer t-shirt. We start with, since it is mandatory to establish necessity. Then we add to wear the uniform to explain what is required. We follow with during our shifts for timing. Next, we use I want to make sure to show intent. We add I collect mine as the action and finish with well in advance of the opening ceremony. We begin the request with could you please for politeness, then we add the verb provide for the action. We specify the specific dates and times as the required info. We conclude with for collecting the uniform to clarify the purpose of the request. We use additionally to add a final point. Then we introduce the condition if there are any other items. We specify I need to bring as the requirement. Finally, we use please let me know to invite a response. We start with thank you to show appreciation. Then we add for your time to value the recipient's effort. Finally, we add an assistance to acknowledge their help. We use best regards as a professional and standard closing phrase followed by a comma. Finally, we place at the very end to clearly identify the sender. To succeed in the write an email task, always ensure you address every single bullet point clearly. Maintaining a polite and professional tone is crucial for a high score. Finally, keep your sentences structured and check for grammatical accuracy before time runs out.